Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an ready-to-wear unboxing for you. This is from Louis Vuitton, Fall Winter 2018. These are a few menswear items that I picked up. I had reserved them a week before the worldwide launch because some of the items came into the store earlier and they were previewing the collection with clients. There's going to be an update to a couple of the items, and I'll talk about that more as I unbox these. There's two bags and then the receipt is in the front. I'm going to start with this bag first. It's actually the larger one, but there's only one piece in it. So it comes with a hanger and a garment bag. So these are the blue garment bags with Louis Vuitton on them. And then these zippers on the other side. This is the first item. So it's a white shirt, and you can kind of see already, depending on the lighting, there's the monogram on it, but it's woven in a very special way. They call it a boucle. Here is the back side of that print. You can see it's woven, each monogram is woven in the monogram and the flowers. So it creates a really interesting texture. It's kind of like a heavyweight couch fabric. And what's interesting about this is that this shirt is comprised of cotton and eucalyptus. Assuming they're using the fibers of the eucalyptus plant or the tree, like the leaves, to weave the monogram, because it's almost like a velvety texture, but it's only on the monogram design and not on the shirt itself. The shirt itself basically feels like a regular cotton shirt. And this is a regular fit, and I actually got this in a small for a looser fit, and it's made in Italy. This one is pretty expensive. I think Louis Vuitton has been raising their prices a lot lately, and this one is $1,220 for a dress shirt. And it's just called a regular shirt, so even on louisvuitton.com, which you can actually order this as well. That's the item number 1A4JQI. And then I think inside here is just an extra button. That's what they always come with their shirt. So it's a few buttons actually, it's 3 buttons because looks like they're all different sizes. So I think some are on the sleeves and then the rest are on the body of the shirt. And these are mother of pearl buttons. And I'll try this on a little later in the video so you get a sense of how it looks like on. This is pretty sheer, so I think it works better for a summer shirt, and you'll have to figure out if you do want to wear something inside of it. And for those of you wondering, sometimes people care, sometimes they don't. I usually always look at the material tag. So like earlier I was saying this is made out of cotton and eucalyptus, which I've never heard of eucalyptus being in clothes. So that's the material tag. You can see it's 60% cotton and 40% eucalyptus. The next items, they come in their own bag, and there's a pouch for them as well. And I've already taken out of the tissue wrapper, so I'm just going to show the items. So it looks like it's in a heap, but there's actually 2 items. They're sold separately, but they're basically a set, and they're modeled like that in a lot of the runway looks. These are the leggings with the reflective monogram and the terrain print. And what's special about these, you can see that the construction of this is made from several pieces of material that's stitched together. You can see the black threading here. So there's several pieces that are in a diagonal stripe. The pieces are sewn together, and only some of the pieces have this reflective material on it. It looks like some sort of paint or silk screen that they applied onto the material. And then there's actually one stripe here as well with the monogram. And the interesting thing is these actually have one back pocket. So if you are going to run in these and you're not wearing any jackets, like if you're truly wearing this as athletic wear, then this is where you could put your keys. This one, I tried both an extra small and a small. I'm usually an extra small, but this one just fit a little bit better. And I mean, they're leggings, so they're stretchy anyway. These retail for $1,170, and the item number for this is 1A4JKA. So this is also made in Italy, but this is only dry clean only, gentle dry clean. And they also have a warning here that do not rub the monogram. And that's something I may speak more to in this video or post an update later. And the fabric for this one is 80% polyamide, 20% elastane, which is kind of like a spandex material, which helps this stretch. So then the final item is the top that goes along with it. Louis Vuitton calls this a rash guard. So that's sporting or athletic wear vocabulary. It's what you will wear as a layer, so when you run, the fabric's not rubbing up against you, because it is also meant to be a really tight stretch fit. And what's interesting about this is if you're not using it as athletic wear, then you're gonna wanna pick a size that's more comfortable to you. And they didn't even have a small or extra small to try it. Since they only had one size, they had a medium, I decided to try it anyway. And this is actually a really tight fit on me. I'm normally an extra small, and this medium feels like it fits 2 sizes smaller. And this one is $1,140. The funny thing, this is actually $30 less than the leggings that I just showed you. This one, the monogram also goes inside the collar because it's one piece. So it's kind of cool that the collar has a reflective material, and then it's on the underside of the sleeve and on the side of this like half zip. The material is the exact same as the legging, and the print is the same. So this one has a half zip. The zipper is in black, so it looks like a technical zipper, and this feels like it almost feels like it's coated in rubber, but it's not. This one was a medium, also made in Italy, and same care instruction, gentle dry clean, and do not rub the monogram. And then it's going to be the same exact material as you can see there. So this set, on Louis Vuitton on their Runway, they styled this pair with running shorts on top of the leggings. I don't think they just showed the leggings. I think all of the looks had one of their shorts on them. And then for this one, most of their looks had some sort of jacket over it. So this was almost like a base layer. They use it more as a base layer because it is very body fitting. You're gonna wanna check on the sizing. Like if you're normally a medium, I think a medium's gonna be really tight on you unless you are planning on wearing this as running gear. But if you wanna kind of wear it casually with something over like a jacket, you're gonna wanna at least try one size up, if not 2 sizes. Otherwise, it just feels like it's compression wear, and I don't think you wanna be wearing that during the day if you're not gonna be working out or running. I do think the terrain print is really beautiful. I kind of wish they maybe made some leather goods or small leather goods with this print and the reflective monogram. So this one, I'm just gonna show you pictures later on of me trying on because I'm not gonna put this on again, but it's something with the fabrication of the monogram reflective that maybe won't work for me necessarily. And just to quickly show you the reflective, so I'm using a flashlight. You can kind of see once you have direct light from where the camera is, you can see it light up. It's not as clear here just because I have pretty even lighting for the video, so you can't see it as clear, but you can see even in the daylight it still reflects. So imagine running with this at night. It basically looks like you're glowing, like these are LED appliques. And that's my video. These are the 3 items that I got. The regular shirt with the monogram boucle with eucalyptus fibers, and then the 2 monogram reflective items, the leggings and the half zip Rash Guard top. And I'm still looking at a few items, so you may see another unboxing for me soon from fall winter. Plus I still have that item I ordered in February, and it's probably still gonna take at least 2 more months. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it until September at the earliest. So subscribe for more videos and check me out on Instagram for the latest updates and exclusive content. Usually I post updates on Instagram way faster than I do on YouTube. So some of you guys may already know what I picked up because I may have put it on my story on Instagram. So if you're interested in that and knowing earlier, definitely check me out on Instagram. It's the same username, so Sartorial Phil. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.